How
Ilang
much?
income?
Ano da? 11,850. Ikaw? Di ako makamove on. Ikaw may buntot ka, ting.
Ay, agad minumukha ko.
Okay, turn on the light. Turn on the grill at open the window. I don't know, pilang mistake para. Pero kung gataas yung tagid mo, Nicole, pwede man kita magbakal nga i-erase ta na daw mga mistake.
Alin mo bakal?
Ina sa shop icon sa mataas sa sa mingko lightning symbol or no?
Oh,
Great, thanks. It already smells amazing.
Yes, dahil may twin mo sa likod sa atong back door.
ay. Dagi.
There's twins or doppelgangers.
Ito ito double ganger. Kasi double ganger, may bawal sila.
Seriously? I
Yeah.
came all the way here dreaming about a shawarma.
King sila eh.
And the window closes right in front of me, just my luck.
Malikod din sa camera din.
Ama tayo may gaabot niya event, unexpected niya event. Ano?
Bigla ako mamatay.
Anong kita December 2 na tayo.
Oh, shawarma now.
Wala, kaya galing.
And soda too. Don't screw it up.
Oh, yes.
That's enough. Make
Yo,
it
kabuoy
fast.
soda.
I'm starving here.
The
Okay,
soda is
dun.
50, total 200.
Ay, wa pa tapos na matambal. You're good na. We served 3 clients. 3 pa lang. I'm shocked. Twelve a.m. parang sa finance of trading kita.
Here you go.
Finally. Fun and starve out here. At least you didn't mess it up.
Kunin mo sa may mess up ko yun. Bumalik ka dito. Nag-aaway tayo.
Nothing happened. Huh. Dun dun dun. Oh, hello.
One shawarma.
Alam mo, pula
And
yung
don't
leeg
make
niya.
it too greasy.
Greasy?
My doctor already nags me enough. Sure, that will be 150.
Siniraduhan mo ba siya, hay? Ano, di yung... Tapos ano, mali siya, ano...
I don't know what happened. Nope. Nope, it's not me. I don't know what you're talking about.
Nakalagay dito, sorry, but your friend told us.
No. It's a lie. It's a lie.
Ha?
It's a lie. It's not me. 100
Ano to?
100%
Tingnan
from
mo sa taas.
what? Oh god. It's not me.
Kinakinig mo ako. Nakapunta iya sa ano, best friend.
No. It's not me. 100%. It's not me. Yung ano, gina-full ka. Malang nanda ka ron gina-full.
Are you lying?
No. Wala. The darkness. No.
100%.
It was not me.
Here you go.
It's not
And
me.
change.
It's not me.
Still warm, at least.
It's not me.
takot sa akin na wala akong buhok. Bakit
Pero-
ako takot sa pwet
pero-
may buhok?
Pero for real, may buntot ka din man.
Oo, bakit? Bakit ako may buntot? Bakit di ko makita sa sarili ko?
Ano ba kita? First person?
Pwede ba to anuhin? I-adjust?
Nope. It's part of the game.
Ito sa...
Hello again. When should
Wow, wow,
warm
wow.
up,
Baba yung
please?
boses niya.
Weren't you here before?
Before. Yes, before. It tasted warm. I like that.
Ooh.
Ay,
Monster.
ano nasabi?
Ano nga voice ay babae?
You forgot to finish my order.
Bakit lalaki yung boss
It's
mo?
all
Sa
right.
akin.
Hala. Ako lang ito
I
narinig.
remember for you.
Ay, baka ganun talaga. Like, ala, may mukha siya sa likod.
Yeah.
Kita mo yan?
Oh! I'm out! Goodbye! Alin to? Alin to? Anong goodbye? Who's goodbye? Nicole, ingat. Nicole, amat ay gaabot to fog event. Oh, someone's coming.
Normal person.
Oh my god.
Bakit?
Kita mo?
Ha?
Sa trash can. Wow, makita or ako mo lang nakikita? I'm seeing things.
Wala namang tao sa trash can.
Are you sure?
Yes!
Ay, sino raw?
Station nearby.
Where
Give
does
me
the
one
gas usually
shawarma
want to
extra
want
sauce.
extra sauce?
Sure thing,
Sure thing,
150.
Dun, dun. It's 4 a.m. Oh my god. It's an anomaly. Kung may night vision, invisible imaw.
Yeah.
May night vision. Turn on the night vision.
Ay! May ganun pala.
Yes.
You close right when I walk up. Great service, really.
Iwan ko sa'yo. Anong mali ko? Tapos parang kayo kung may kasalanan.
On this cold December
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
evening, the player did
Nicole,
not
don't
yet know how
leave.
the shift would end. Snow slowly settled on the asphalt. The security cameras clicked softly, recording an empty yard
What?
and a quiet
What's
street.
happening?
When the customer arrived, he looked completely normal. So normal. It was almost unsettling.
Whoa, something suspicious, Nicole. Something.
One shawarma,
One
please.
shawarma, please.
Sure, that will be 150.
The player looked at him through the glass,
What?
then at the camera screen,
Pronto.
Wait. What's happening at the camera?
and made a decision.
Ay, shit.
The window was closed.
What? No, don't do it.
According to the story, the window was closed.
No, Nicole, don't close. Don't. No, we're not doing it.
I said the player closed the window.
No. Hindi siya anomaly. No, go away.
This is the part where the player closes the window.
No.
According to the story, the window was closed.
No, go away.
Sa ano sa... Dapat makinig sa voice.
No. I have a bad feeling about this.
I said the player closed the window.
What if we don't? What will you do? I-serve mo kaya?
Yun!
I-serve mo, Nicole. It's gonna be okay.
Grabe mo doon naman!
This is the part where the player closes the
No,
window.
do not listen to the voice.
May
Manipul.
sinabi ba sa room?
Yes.
According to the story,
Do not
the window
listen
was
to the voice.
closed.
Whatever you do not listen. Just serve it to the person.
Here's your shawarma.
Kahit anong mangyari.
Thanks.
And back away.
The player decided not to complicate things. He served the customer.
Yeah, so?
Sometimes the safest choice is the most ordinary one. The customer took his order and left. Nothing bad happened. The
Yes, I
story
knew
could
it.
have ended differently,
Yeah.
but tonight it did not.
Okay.
I knew. Wow! The first time, Nico, may badge. Ikaw. Sana all.
Dalawa na akong badge.
Alin? Ayugali, no? Welcome to shawarma. Anong oras yun? Ma'am, are you okay?
6
One
PM.
shawarma. Come on, make it fast.
Nicolo, ginakumpit ka na Nicolo, gasaot imaw.
Can I ask you something?
What?
Where do you wash your hands and go to the bathroom? Never mind. I don't want to know that.
Suspicious?
Why? It's not suspicious. Nag-as lang naman siya.
Pero dapat,
Labasin mo. No.
naman gasaot ka eh. Gasaot ka?
Hindi. Tingnan mo yung ano. Kala siya magsayaw.
Ay, to? Ay, to?
Sin.
Parang minigong ting ning ning ning. Ay, to? Okay, I'm out. I'm scared. Oh. Ayun. Double the dance.
Naka-screen record ka ba?
Yes.
Tingnan.
The two of them is dancing. Ano gagawin natin? I-serve natin, hindi.
Ako yung gift niya.
Yung screen record ko lahat. Everything.
Nagbakaw baga ako para i-scare ka. Waka na ano ka to.
Oo.
Jump scare.
Nope. Oo, na ako takita.
Ako ni mo nag-jump scare?
I think, ano yung game ba ka eh?
Ako scare of friend.
Oo, wala ko narinig.
For friends, di mo ginbutang na.
Ha?
Dance for friends.
God, alam mo na na. Bo. Pero ang matay random, may gagawa mo na rin dun. I think is-serve ba natin?
Ako pa scare.
Sarado natin dalaga sa timaw. Anomaly ba yun or nope? Or normal lang? I think it's
Mali mo
normal.
sir.
Go, Nicole. Malapit na yung ating shift. I think 1 hour na lang. Habang gagawa kita eh, ma-encounter natin noon namin yung gasaot.
Here you go.
Check natin do inspector.
Finally.
Finally, oh.
Thanks, I was
Since I
starving.
was starving. Oh, di ba?
Tama. Okay, we're leaving na.
Tira ulo lang talaga siya. Ano mo, Glenn?
Lapitan, Nicole. Lapitan, Nicole.
Glenn,
Ano? Ano yung gasaot?
hindi ka saot.
Waon. Ako to nahadlock.